have been closing 3 clients in the last 12 days.
Hey Vico, this is me Stu. Listen, I just closed the deal following your script.
I can't speak highly enough for him. Vico is the man. Thank you, brother.
But man, I really don't know if I'd be able to do this without you.
Got my first client this Thursday.
Just got my biggest monthly client today.
Closed 3 clients since I've been in the program.
Just closed a client on $1,500 per month.
I couldn't figure it out. I watched YouTube after YouTube, and then I came across this guy right here.
Honestly, no bullshit, man. Like, Vico's company is the most in-depth. It's the most detailed.
You have to get it. You have to go through that training portal, man. Definitely go work with Vico.
Hey, Vico, thank you so much. I don't know where I would have been without you.
And with Vico's content, without even fully looking at it, I just looked over some of the information. I've already set an appointment without paying money on ads.
Literally a week from that, I've closed 3 deals, and that was like $10,000 upfront.
Nice, bro. Everything that we're about to build right now, you literally have it built for us, kind of.
If you're considering to work with Vicolize, just stop thinking about it, make the decision. Thanks, Vico. Ciao.
I'm going to show you a story how I was able to travel and live in Southeast Asia for the past 2 years, at the same time consistently making semi-passive 5-figure recurring income month to month with just my laptop and an internet connection. I also want to tell you a story on how I get into an accident just a few months ago, completely broke my leg, unable to walk, and still make that consistent income month to month. A story on how I then go on to help hundreds of other entrepreneurs to start up and launch their online business to achieve the same financial freedom in their life. For example, Sam here was able to go from a customer service position to starting his own online business that makes 20K per month. Or Robert here was able to collect 6K in cash collected in the first 2 weeks of starting his business. Winston here got his first client within the first day of launching. So if you're still here, I can tell you it's not affiliate marketing, it's not Amazon FBA, it's not dropshipping with Shopify, it's not crypto or day trading, it's not MLM, multi-level marketing, or anything like that. So I want to show you a business model that me and my partner have stumbled across a few years back, a model that actually works. We call it a hybrid agency model. Now this is where you take a software solution, SaaS, and add it on top of your service-based business. Now if you're new here, I want to show you the contrast between this and the traditional agency model. So the agency model is where you actually charge people $1,000 to $2,000 per month for a service, for example, Facebook ad or video editing, spending hours setting up ad campaigns that don't get results, spending hours managing client and dealing with clients that don't respect you and your time. And trust me guy, I've been there. I was that guy just a few years back. This is a phone call I'm having with one of my clients in the middle of the night at 11:30 p.m. It's not a fun business to run. So the new hybrid model allows you to automate a lot of things by giving your time back at the same time still adding value to your client. So as you can see here, instead of offering service such as Facebook ad, we actually offering them a software solution on the front end. Low cost, low setup, and low fee. And then after they become your client, know your brand, gain your trust, this is where you actually offer them a high ticket service with higher margin, higher quality, and higher lifetime value for that client. And this is me a few months back was able to free myself from my agency completely while traveling in Southeast Asia. So without showing you any more slides, I want to show you exactly how to set up everything and prove to you how easy it is to get all of this done. So for the software solution, there's many ways that you can offer the solution to your prospects, such as Google reviews, database reactivation campaign, and a callback notification. But I'm going to show you the database reactivation, which is the one that we use personally in our agency. And essentially what that means, guys, we're going to help our prospects to generate more lead and more conversation from their existing database, aka list. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is that you want to have access to your prospect database in a spreadsheet, just like this. And then you navigate to contacts and click import contacts. And then you go ahead and upload that spreadsheet into the software. So obviously this is a dummy contact. So you want to select all of them and click on this robot icon and click proceed and select this workflow that is pre-made for you. Okay, and then you want to give it a name. We're going to say test, and we're going to add it to campaign, right? It really is that easy. Next step is to explain to you what actually in that workflow that we just broadcast to this contact. So you want to navigate to automation and go to workflow, and underneath this database reactivation folder you can see there's one workflow, and there you go, you click on it and there's a bunch of SMS sequence going out. And if you click on SMS 1, you can see the message that go out there. You can see here, location, city, housing market is extremely hot right now. We help hundreds of investors all over the United States to buy property with up to 8 to 12% rental yield. Uncommon. You get the point. It's a marketing message that go out there to normal people that help real estate agent get more conversation and more lead for their business. So if you want to know how to get your hand onto this template, not just this SMS alone, but the entire sequence, including email and SMS, make sure that you stick till the end of this video. What you just saw is the software solution side of our business. There's many ways to do this, but this is the one that we do personally. And I want to show you the service-based side of our business as well. Technically, what that means is that you're offering people a service and they will pay you for that service in return. That could come in the form of video editing, Facebook ad, Google ad, YouTube ad, or any type of digital service. So we're personally offering Facebook ad, and we're not going anywhere far from the software. So the first thing is navigate to Facebook ad right down here and click launch campaign. And after that, you get an instant access to all of the Facebook ad campaign that we've been split testing that work for our client already. So what the real estate agent have to do is to pick one of this proven Facebook ad campaign that provided by our team and then launch their Facebook ad straight from the software. So as you can see here, once you choose a template to set it up, you just have to input the daily budget. We're gonna put $20 per day here and then put your website here. So this is make it extremely easy for real estate agent to launch Facebook ad from our very own software. And once it launched, our real estate agent was able to see everything in the reporting section. So this is obviously not a tutorial video guide. You're not gonna learn how to set up everything in this video. So the reason why I'm showing you this is to prove to you the automation process and how easy it is for the delivering process once you have everything set up. Now you must be asking yourself, why would anyone pay you to do something this easy? I wanna show you the number behind it. Now typically real estate agents are making anywhere between 2 to 3% per transaction of a property. Now, if the property value at 600K on that transaction, the real estate agent would make anywhere between $12,000 to $18,000 in commission for that transaction. Now, if you're offering a software and a service-based solution that help them generate more leads, having more conversation with home buyer and home seller, it would be a no-brainer to ask them for $297, $497, or $997 for your solution, given that they make $1,000 and $1,000 in return. Trust me guys, business owner need system like this in place for their business, and they're willing to pay you for it. So I want to show you a couple of proofs to really prove my point here. So this automation go out there and it generate this sort of conversation for our client. It's saying, hey, would today or tomorrow morning work to better discuss things that can help you best sell your home the fastest for the most money? And they said tomorrow morning would work. Okay. And next one said, Glenn, I called you a few minutes ago to discuss how I can help you get your home on the market and sell as quickly as possible. When would be the best time to talk? They said, hey Martin, give me a call anytime. Next one here is saying, hey now, I haven't heard from you. I don't want to keep bugging you. I'd love to help you with your search for a new home, and there's some great deal right now in the area. When would you be available for a quick chat? And they say, what is the deal, please? As you can see here, real estate agents will pay a lot of money for this kind of connection and conversation. They really don't care about your software or Facebook or whatnot. If you can bring them this sort of quality conversation, they're willing to pay you a lot of money for that. So the conversation that you saw is an AI-based / script-based conversation that our team has spent years on perfecting and put it into a template for this software solution called GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to have access to this template and a complete step-by-step setup course on how to set everything up from scratch and get your first few clients in the matter of 30 days, click the link below and get a 30-day free trial on this software solution on top of the template and a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. So we actually never offered this before, but the first 5 people that signed up for the 30-day free trial will get a one-on-one setup with our tech team, plus our proven agency template and sales script that help our agency book 100 appointments every month for our agency. Now, if you miss out on the one-on-one setup because we only do have 5 spots per month because of our team capacity, you still can get access to our private Facebook community where you can hang out with other people that are going through the same journey as you. Our weekly live call where you can come in and ask questions for any real-time roadblock that you may have. And of course, direct access to myself as part of our family. Now, if you're still here and you haven't clicked on the 30-day trial link for some reason, I want to show you exactly what inside the course and what you get yourself into. Look guys, this used to be a premium course that we used to charge people thousands and thousands of dollars for. The first module that you get is the complete setup phase, right? So we're going to teach you step-by-step video on how to set everything up from scratch, and then we're going to teach you how to craft your message, offer, and hook so people feel stupid saying no to your offer, and then find unlimited lead so you can have unlimited access to all of your industry in your given local area or country. So you see here we have strategy when it comes to Facebook, Instagram, texting, calling, paid ad, Facebook group, and LinkedIn, right? And then we're going to show you how to close high ticket deal, and we're going to have bonus section. So this course is going to get updated with new strategy and new method all of the time, so make sure that you keep an eye out. Guys, the reason why I believe this course is going to be so helpful to you is not because I put my heart and soul into it. The actual reason is actually plain and simple. We are an actual agency who at these days still run our marketing agency. So we actually teach you guys what's actually working. Look at our track record. Ray here has made a 10x return on investment with our agency. Tony here has made $15,000 with a $200 investment with our agency. Reddy here made $75,000 with just $200 spent into our system. You probably get the point by now. Learn from a real actual agency who have done it before and help other people like you get to the point where they want to go. To get the course, click the link in the description, get a 30-day trial, and you will have an instant access to the course. It is free for now. Until then, I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.